Please take a moment to watch this video. It could save a life. I'm Keith, I'm a defibrillator specialist. If someone suffers a cardiac arrest, there might not be an expert close by. Therefore, we want to show you how easy it is to operate a defib, and that's why we have Luke. If someone's in cardiac arrest, the only thing that's going to help them is a defibrillator.
What's cardiac arrest?
A cardiac arrest is when someone's heart's not beating normally and they fall unconscious and they're in trouble.
What can I do?
First, you try not to panic. You're there to help the person.
What happens if I get it wrong?
The good thing about this, you cannot misuse a defibrillator. What a defibrillator will do is check out for the heart rhythm it's supposed to be in. If it's in a shockable rhythm, it'll deliver a shock. If not, then it won't. Should we give it a go? For this next part, we're just going to follow Luke and his interaction with the defibrillator. Luke has never seen a defibrillator before. Let's see how he gets on.
Call emergency medical services now. Adult mode. Follow the voice prompt calmly. Remove all clothing from chest and stomach. Rip clothing if necessary. Take out the pads from the bottom of the device. Tear open the pad's packaging. Look closely at the picture on each pad. Peel off the pad labelled 1 and stick to the bare skin of the patient, exactly as shown in the picture. Peel off the pad labelled 2 and stick to the bare skin of the patient, exactly as shown in the picture. Press the pads firmly to the bare skin of the patient. Do not touch the patient. Analysing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Stand clear. Press the flashing orange button. Shock delivered. Be sure emergency medical services have been called. You may touch the patient. Begin CPR now. Place the heel of one hand on the centre of the chest between the nipples. Place the heel of your other hand on top of the first. Push the chest down firmly 5 centimetres in time with the beat.
So Luke, how was that?
I was a bit scared at first, but it was fairly easy.
Well, it's as simple as that. A defibrillator is designed for anybody in the general public to use, whether that be on family, friends, or even a child in the playground. There are also paediatric pads available for children 8 or under, and what this does is reduce the shock given to a child than it would to an adult. These also can come in switch form as well. Please share this video with friends and family, because this could potentially save someone's life.